Wala yatang pamilyang Filipino ang hindi mahilig sa musika. Bawat isang sambahayan ay siguradong may isa o rigit pa na mahilig dito. And wait, there's more. Bukod sa musika, may isa pa tayong hilig ng mga Pinoy. Ito ay walang iba kung hindi ang pagkanta. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. For this mic test, we are going to review the JBL PartyBox 110 and the JBL wireless microphone. Unahin natin si PartyBox. Okay, inside the box, kasama ng JBL PartyBox 110 ang mga sumusunod: assorted AC power cord, quick start guide and safety sheets, and a warranty card. Let us now go to the specification and features of JBL PartyBox 110. Ang power output nga ay 160 watts RMS. Meron siyang dalawang 5.25-inch woofers at dalawang 2.25-inch tweeters. For voltage input, pwede mo siyang magamit ng 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 Hz. Dito sa Pilipinas, ang gamit natin ay 220 volts at 60 Hz, so pwede siya. Ang battery type niya ay lithium-ion polymer 36 watt-hour. Ang charging time niya is 3.5 hours. The music play time is up to 12 hours. For product dimensions, ang sukat niya ay 11.6 inches wide, 22.4 inches ang kanyang height at 11.8 inches ang kanyang diameter. At ang bigat niya ay 10.84 kilograms, halos 11 kilo. Aside from Bluetooth connectivity, PartyBox has an auxiliary connectivities aux in and aux out para magamit mo siya to connect devices without Bluetooth.
The active learning defense system we are testing continues to operate flawlessly.
It also has a mic and guitar inputs, and the gains of which can be adjusted individually. Meron din siyang USB port for our flash disk or pen drive, and this USB port also serves as a power out option. Pwede mo siyang gamitin as a power bank. For TWS, you can get another PartyBox 110, pair them together, and you can get a left and right channel audio separation. And it can give you a total of 320 watts RMS power output. PartyBox 110 is also splash-proof IPX4. So pwede mo siyang gamitin during swimming time with your family and friends. Kung mga talsik-talsik lang ng tubig, kayang-kaya ni PartyBox yun. Okay guys, para mas maging enjoyable itong mic test natin kay JBL PartyBox 110, JBL mic na rin ang ating gagamitin. It also has a rechargeable UHF dual channel wireless receiver. Of course, plug and play din siya. Kasama sa box niya, meron siyang USB-C cable. Meron na din siyang kasamang AA batteries para talaga magamit na siya kaagad. Alright?